Hello world, this is Darin Martineau from Team Freedom, and in this video I'm going to explain how to do affiliate marketing. So this is going to be a very simple explanation for people that have never done affiliate marketing. Okay, so step one is you're going to pick a profitable niche. Okay, and if you don't know what niche to go in, I'm going to recommend some here, and you can also use ChatGPT to find hot niches. Okay, so I'm in the make money online niche. And another really good one is health and fitness. There's a ton of products and supplements, and this this video is about the basics. I will go into other videos. I will go into each category more in depth, but I'm just showing a overview of affiliate marketing and how it works. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pick your niche. So for mine, it's affiliate marketing. Okay. Um, Choose something that people already spend money on. This is another thing that goes along with this. You want to promote stuff that only the stuff that you believe in and the products that you actually use. Okay, you want to have ethics. You don't want to just promote anything, right? So once you've done that, you're going to step two. You're going to join affiliate programs, okay? You don't have to create your own product in the beginning because that's a much more in-depth process, right? All you have to do is join. Now, some people will join Amazon Associates, which can only pay like 4%. Um, some people like promote like pool tables and mattresses and other things like that, which I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with that, but it involves a lot more. You got to have a ton of traffic and a whole bunch of other things. It's beyond the scope of this video. I actually do promote some Amazon Associate things, and I have a way to do that I'll show inside my Team Freedom system. It's a really incredible system. But if you join like ClickBank or Digistore24 or Warrior Plus, I really like Warrior Plus a lot because I buy a lot of their products myself from from certain people, and but when you join the affiliate program, what you're going to do is you're going to get approved and you're going to get the special link that is called your hop link. Okay, you will get your hop link, and then we'll go to the next step. Then we're going to go to promote. So in order to promote, we're going to need step three. We're going to go to create content. Okay, now this is no face required. You can make faceless videos and all of that. This is where most people overthink it. You don't need a ton of followers. You don't need all this fancy gear and everything like that. All you need is like, you can use your cell phone and record videos, or you can use all kinds of other things. You can use AI and all kinds of other things. But this video is not about content. I will make other videos about that. I'll make on each category here, I'll go in depth. Um, Leave a comment below. I'd like you to leave a comment below if you have a question, okay, about any of this stuff, okay, as I'm in it daily, okay. So here's some content ideas. Talk about your favorite products, whatever they are, in whatever niche, right? In mine, it's affiliate marketing, so I'll do a lot of product reviews. So you can do product reviews, you can do bonuses, you can incentivize and do all kinds of other things. You can talk about best three tools videos, before and after results. You can do case studies. You can do video tutorials on these products and all kinds of other things like AI, all kinds of things. Next, you can do problem and solution videos. Okay, that would be like, weight loss or fitness or whatever your niche is. You will do that here. Okay. Now, the platforms that work best. Okay, TikTok is really hot right now. Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. I love YouTube. I make videos every single day, and you want to post consistently. You want to post like at least 3 videos a day. 3 videos a day, that's 90 videos a month. So think about it. You know, if you post consistently, one viral video can change everything in your business, right? And I actually teach in my system how to make viral videos. So if you'd like to learn how to do that, put in your name and email and join Team Freedom, and I'll go in depth on all these things. So step four, okay? Send traffic to your link. Now, this is a big one because there's two kinds of traffic. There's quality and quantity. Okay, there are actually many kinds of traffic. There's free and paid, and there's all kinds of other stuff. So we'll make another video on the traffic, but to go in depth on that. But this is where most people get it wrong. This is where most marketers fail because they just send them straight to the sales page. You want to have a simple landing page, okay? And you want to collect their emails. If content is king, then this landing page would be queen, okay? That would be the follow-up in building the list. It's very critical in your business to have that. So you always want to collect the emails. This is how you build your long-term income, okay? Now, we're going to talk about scaling your income and everything like that. Once you do this and it works and you get a good traffic source, you're going to scale it up. But before we get into all that, we're going to talk about some of the mistakes to avoid. Just promoting random products is not going to work. You got to promote the products that you're actually using and the ones you're familiar with so you can do real reviews and not just ramble on about nothing. Okay? Another problem is quitting too early, not doing enough regular, consistent uploads of your videos. And if you only upload one video and be like, oh, that's all I need to do, you're never going to see the results. You need to upload consistently, okay? 3 times a day. And more important than that is the quality of your content over the quantity. So remember all that. So another mistake is not providing value. I'm making this video right here to provide value, to teach beginners how to do this. So one of the biggest mistakes, like I said, is just sending them straight to a sales page and not using your landing page. So we're going to go over, we're going to show you in this picture right here, in this graph, what this will look like, okay? You have your content, your video, your videos, or your blog, whatever you want to use for your content, okay? Then it's going to send them to your squeeze page, okay? Then that's going to capture their email. And then you have, if you're a service, you'd have the sales calls. So this is a step that may or may not be in your funnel, but this is what a funnel will look like. Then you have your follow-ups, you set up your emails, and your autoresponder. The one I recommend is Lead Sleep. It's a very powerful tool. Then you go to sales. So that is what a funnel will look like, okay? So if you join Team Freedom now, you're going to get access to my exclusive video training showing you how to do all this, my best affiliate programs to join, the best marketing tools to use, the best AI tools. You're going to be able to have the ability to earn multiple streams of income with this and much more. So please subscribe to this channel and get more free tutorials. And please click on the link, put in your name and email. I want you to double opt in and verify, and I'm going to send you access to the copy the Team Freedom funnel now and learn how to make money online. So thank you very much and have a great day.